Hey guys, wanna know how to create a demo account in MetaTrader? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, in order to create a demo account, just simply make sure you have MetaTrader installed and simply open up the application. Now right here, you should be on this menu right here. So this shows your trading account. So since we don't have an account, just simply select add trading account. And once you've done that, here you can select open a demo account. Once you're done, just simply select MetaCodes demo and then type in your name, your company email, and then your account type, and then just simply select create account. And once you've done that, just simply select done. And there you have it. Your Meta demo account has successfully been created. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.